In today's video, we are going to be showcasing all of our natural lashes. For those of you out there who really love a natural look, we have several different lash styles that will fit any of your moods perfectly while keeping it natural. Before we jump into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel down below and you can hit the bell to be notified anytime we post. Let's jump right into it. So today we're going to be talking about 4 different lash styles that are on the more natural side. So first up is our Classy Lash. So our Classy Lash is pretty small and it's made of silk. It's a perfect way to supplement your own lashes and kind of add some volume without going really super long on the length. You can definitely wear them every day and all day comfortably. If you have small eyes, these are going to be perfect for you because they're not going to be super overwhelming with the length and the volume. These will just be the right touch. So next up we have the Wifey Lash. So the Wifey Lash is tapered and full, and while maybe at first glance, especially in the box, it might look dramatic, I actually am wearing them right now, and to me, they're just kind of like one level up from our Baby Lash, which will be next. They're tapered, so really they're going to accentuate the outer corners of your eyes, but they're not super long or anything, so they're not dramatic by any means. I feel like they're super subtle and maybe like the most dramatic of all of our natural lashes, although I would say these would be the perfect addition to any everyday look. So like I said, next up is our Baby Lash. So Baby Lash is our most universal lash and it is an accent lash, so it really is just going to like accentuate the outer corners of your eyes. Like I said, Wifey Lash kind of reminds me of Baby Lash, but it's the full length strip of magnets instead of Baby Lash, which is only 3 magnets. So it's really just going to sit on the outer corner of your eye and just kind of give you a little volume and a little bit of length on the outer corner without being too dramatic at all. So last up is our Cheeky Lash, and it is the smallest accent lash that we offer. So Cheeky Lash is just going to add that little something extra to the outer corner of your eye. They are similar to Baby Lash, but with Cheeky Lash you get a little bit more length and a little bit less volume. So if you want volume, maybe Baby Lash is for you, and if you want a little bit more length, then Cheeky Lash would be for you. Each lash keeps your look super natural, and you really can't go wrong with either. But maybe you can't decide and you feel like all of these lashes could work for you and maybe you want to try them all. Well, we have our natural kit, and that features 3 out of the 4 of the lashes that I just showed you. You get Baby Lash, Cheeky Lash, and Classy Lash in the natural kit. Wifey Lash is sold separately, but if you wanted to try the majority of these natural lashes, the natural kit will be so perfect for you. Not only that, but you get the chance to experiment with different looks with each of these lashes, which let me tell you is super fun because, oh, did I mention how easy it is to change out your lash once you have the liner on? I know we've talked about this before. And the cool thing about the natural kit is you get our applicator and a full-size magnetic liner as well. So I'm just saying, if you are really feeling some of these lashes, the natural kit might be the best way to go. But of course, you can always buy them individually and you can decide from there. Maybe you want to buy a natural kit after that. Maybe you're good with just one lash. It's all up to you, and that's why we wanted to make this video so that you could see all of them in one video and it could make it easier for you to decide which is best for you. Anyway, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it and we hope it was helpful. Before you go, make sure to hit the like button down below and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.